So I just ordered this from Amazon. I wanted to see if it worked on my tablet with the case on. I couldn't find a picture or a video on YouTube anywhere to explain if it actually works with the case on. I have a thicker tablet case for mine, and I wanted to have it right there, but I wanted to see if it actually held a tablet that big. So here is the product. Inserts into your CD player like so. There it is installed. You don't want to overscrew this or you could damage something in your CD player. And you get the other, I don't know if you can see that, to adjust the pitch and angle of it. So here is my tablet. It should, as you can see, it's just a little bit too big for it. So I'm afraid it would fall out. Let me take it out and try it then. Okay, so I took the case off there. It's not as tight as I would like it to be. I think I can adjust it though. So you bring that up or down. It can hold a pretty big tablet. There. Buttons are out of the way. So in the comments, what do you guys think about it? And you can also put your cell phone in horizontally like that, and it has charging ports right there. So what do you guys think? Seems pretty secure. Didn't need to tighten it very much. Seems pretty good. I'll have to take it for a drive. So I wanted to see if I could still see that screen even with this tablet in here. That works pretty good. So far no complaints, only that I cannot use my case for this with it. I have to take it out of the case every time, which is kind of annoying. But other than that, I have no complaints about it yet. We'll take it on a drive in a second and see how it does with shaking, bouncing, and we'll be back in a second.
A few moments later.